Hi, this is Chris from Buffalo Boat Shrink Wrapping. In this episode, we're going to set up normally. I'm going to get in the boat, I'm going to build the posts and strap them down. You see my partner's going to start working on the lower half, put all the strapping around the hull. So we're not going to pull the shrink wrap up over the boat right from the bottom. We're actually going to go cut it off screen. So we need to get that measurement. So here you're going to see us take a measurement from the strapping once he's done with the belly band, and we're going to put it to the top of the post. And you don't want to just double that because you don't know that the tip of the post is dead center. So you're going to take that measurement on both sides, and then you're going to add 6 to 8 inches on both sides so you have enough. So we usually just buy like a 32 foot wide or 36 foot wide roll of shrink wrap, and then for this one we'll probably pull off about 14 foot for this boat. So if you buy a 200-pound roll of shrink wrap, you can do a bunch of boats. Usually, when they're this small, you can probably get about 8 to 10 boats from one roll of shrink wrap, and that's how you do that. So leave a comment if this is how you like to pull shrink wrap over your boat, or if you pull it from the bottom, or if you pull it from the back. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.
That's it, man.